Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share with you the samples from the die cuts that I shared the other day. I will leave the link to that unboxing from AliExpress here. So, the stitch, these are like good size ones. They cut out very well. And so here's like the balloon one. And I just added glossy accents on it to make it shiny. There's another one with the balloon. And then here's the stitchy one. So yeah, I cut those out and made some cards out of those. And then the other ones, I just cut them out only so. There was the swirl. Let me zoom in. Okay, so the swirl. There. It's upside down. And then this one. That's the whole thing. Here's the dies. And then here's the shadow piece, and then it has the pieces that are all inside, see? So yeah, that's these dies here. The next one was the Evil Queen and Alice. So here's the Evil Queen and Snow. Now, these all cut out good. I am pleased with the way they all cut out. And then this is the Alice one. And look, they're pretty good size. Good size cutout. Then the almost last set. So then the time clock. And then that's how it cuts out. It's that Mad Hatter, you know, theme, Alice. And then the last one was the Mickey head with the Mickey cutouts. And that's how that one cuts out. So another good size one too. So yeah, hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas. Whoa. Sorry, shakas.